Modification, either of those options, stay up, or with me, we're going to lift and lower. Pull it together. And then you're going to drive your legs straight, and that's going to propel the bell up to about chest height. Okay. Knees back, hip hinge. 1. Straight line from the end of your heel to the top of your head. Try to balance. Stay up. 2 more. To bring it down, you're going to let the handle skip from this deep palm position to the creases of your fingers. Here. Step back. Forward. Step back. One knee and push the other heel down. And then just change a few times each side. Okay. That was really great. Good work.